What if one night you looked up at the sky and the moon was no longer pale and silver, but burning like solid gold, a golden sphere, a celestial treasure, the most valuable jewel in the universe? But every treasure comes at a price. And if the moon were made of gold, that price would be the earth itself. Welcome to Edge of Reality. Tonight we ask, what would happen if the moon was made of gold? The moon is more than just a light in the night sky. It is Earth's silent guardian. It keeps our planet's tilt steady. It drives the tides. It shapes the rhythm of life itself. But what if all of that changed? What if the moon was not dust and rock, but solid gold? Gold is beautiful, but gold is heavy. A cubic foot of rock weighs about 150 pounds. A cubic foot of gold, over 1,200 pounds. Now imagine replacing the moon's mass, 7.35 times 10 to the 22 kilograms, with pure gold. The golden moon would be 81 times heavier than the moon we know, and its gravity would change everything. Step 1. Orbital breakdown. The Earth-Moon relationship is fragile. The real moon drifts slowly away, but a golden moon, so much denser, would pull harder on Earth. Its orbit would destabilize. Instead of drifting outward, it could spiral inward, a slow collision course. Step 2. Catastrophic tides. Before impact, the oceans would betray us. The moon's pull would be immense. Tides would rise higher than skyscrapers. Coastal cities would drown. Civilizations would vanish beneath the waves. Step 3. Climate chaos. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, but a golden moon's mass would throw it off balance. The Arctic could melt into tropical swamps. Deserts could freeze in snow. Seasons would turn violent. Civilizations would struggle to survive. Step 4. Geological catastrophe. As the moon drew closer, its gravity could crack the Earth itself. Volcanoes would erupt with fury. Earthquakes would split continents. The balance of our world would shatter. But humanity would not wait quietly. Gold has always been the ultimate prize. Empires rose for it. Wars were fought over it. Continents were conquered in search of it. Now imagine the ultimate treasure hanging in the sky. Nations would compete desperately to reach it. A new space race would ignite. But this race would not be for exploration. It would be for conquest. Rockets, satellites, mining expeditions, all aimed at the golden moon, and every ounce brought back would shatter economies. Because gold's value comes from rarity. Flood the world with it, and its worth collapses. Fortunes would crumble, economies would break, and societies would turn against each other. The real moon, though silent, is priceless. It is a library of the solar system. Its surface preserves billions of years of history. It tells us how Earth was born, how life began. A golden moon would shine brighter, but tell us nothing. It would erase the cosmic story written in stone. Gold is beautiful, but gold is dead. So what happens step by step? First, tides rise to monstrous heights. Next, climates spiral into chaos. Then, humanity destroys itself in greed. And finally, physics ends the story. The golden moon, too heavy to remain stable, collapses inward. Earth's gravity tears it apart. Shards of gold fall from the sky. Golden meteors rain down. At first, humanity cheers. Treasure from the heavens. But then comes destruction. Cities burn, forests vanish, oceans boil, and the dream of a golden moon becomes our nightmare. The moon we know is not gold. It is dust, rock, silence. And yet, it is priceless. It gives Earth stability. It protects the rhythm of life. Sometimes, the greatest treasures are not the ones that glitter, but the ones that quietly keep us alive. The moon is not gold. It is something far more valuable. But the question remains, If a golden moon could destroy us, what about another world? What if we found a planet made of diamonds? This is Edge of Reality. Subscribe for more journeys into the impossible.